Greetings, everybody. Mr. Chanter here with a Thursday update on the comet that's visible in the sky. Last night, I was able to find the comet. Here's a picture that I took with my iPhone using the night mode on my camera, and I was able to get the comet to come out. Once I saw it, here's a little bit of an update on where to find it, what time to find it. My software was a little bit off in the placement of it. It was just about where I said it was going to be, just a little bit higher in the sky, which is actually great, which means it's out for a little bit longer than I had said yesterday. So here we are at about 5 o'clock, and I've updated the path of the comet here a little bit. So 6 o'clock, it starts to get dark. By 7 o'clock, it's dark, and you'll see Venus over here in the west. You'll also probably be able to see this really bright star called Arcturus. And they're kind of separated from each other. So you can see the comet's about halfway. It's still that arm's length out from your thumb to your pinky to the west of Venus, but then it's up about the width of your fist. I was able to find it with binoculars, so I scanned around. I was looking in this part of the sky, and then I just kind of scanned up and down a little bit lower, and I was able to find it. Once I found it with my binoculars, I could just see it with my eyes because I know exactly where to look. And it was one of those where I could see it a little bit, and then it kind of wouldn't be able to see it, and then I could see it again. So it's just on the edge of my visibility. But once you find it with binoculars, you can find it. So any pair of binoculars, you should be able to see this with. So this is at about 7 o'clock. And this is about the time that I was able to see it last night. It's probably about 7:15, just as Venus was setting. I could still use Venus as a guide to find it, and I was able to see it. It won't be this bright in the sky, but if you scan around that part of the sky, if you notice how Venus and Arcturus and the comet and Venus kind of make a triangle right here. You can kind of use that shape to find where to look for the comet. It was very easily visible in a pair of binoculars. So I hope that helps you. Better luck tonight. I was able to see it even from where I was, and I didn't have a great horizon until about 8 o'clock last night. And if I had been somewhere better, I might have been able to see it until like 8:15. So still want to look for a clear western horizon. It's definitely higher up in the sky because tonight it would be higher up in the sky anyway. And last night it was a little bit higher than I had initially said. So happy comet hunting.